This is Jeff with SalonCredit.com. We're going to do a short demonstration video on the popular feature of store and forward, or batch authorization mode. This is used for if you do not have a phone line and you want to run cards and store the cards within the machine until you have a phone line and you can send the transactions out. This is really popular for salons that may not have a phone line, booth renters that have their own booths. So we're going to do a short video on that and show how it's done. The terminal on our free terminal program is sent to you this way, so that the default screen is at a sale refund void, and all you want to do is you want to make sure when you first get it that the batch authorization mode is turned on. This allows you to store the cards within the machine, and here it's turned on. Then you want to get out of there and run your cards. So the customer gives you a card. We're going to place this here to cover the card holder number, but you swipe the card in the default screen. It'll ask you how much you want to put in there, and for this we're just going to do 8 cents. Enter. So it can't dial out, so what it's going to do is, this is the first copy is for the customer. They want to sign it and put their tip on there, and then it can print a second copy. And this copy is for your records, and that's it. And then when you get to a phone line, what you want to be able to do is just plug in the phone line, and then go back into, hit the number 2 button. That'll bring you to the batch authorization mode, and then you want to turn it off so you can use the phone line. And then it'll ask you, do you want to run the batch? Yes. And so you'll have however many transactions you did for the day in the terminal, and it'll ask you to send them. So what it does is it sends out for approvals on those cards. Use the phone line for maybe 10-15 seconds. And that card was approved. So basically you have your approvals now, and then the next step is to settle the machine, or basically dump all the transactions into your bank account. And then you just want to scroll down to do that and go to settlement, and then it batches out all the transactions and they all go into your bank account. And it'll ask you to enter to confirm transactions. Once this is done, you can unplug the phone line, and that's all you need your phone line for. So if you brought this home to batch it out, or if you batched it out at another phone line, you can do it from any location. So essentially it's a wireless terminal. Or dual com. You can also use this on an internet connection, so you don't need a phone line. You just connect it to an internet modem and batch them out that way. And that's our video.